subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
डिसर्विंग तो बहुत सारे पूरे 20 थे इंक्लूडिंग मी। तो अनूप जी भी डिसर्विंग थे, निर्मल जी भी डिसर्विंग थे, हर कोई डिसर्विंग थे जो भी बिग बॉस घर पे आया है। मैं इतना बोलना चाहूँगा कि दीपिका जी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे शी प्लेड द गेम द बेस्ट आई गेस, सो दैट्स वाई कलर्स एंड एंडमोल एंड द होल वर्ल्ड who voted for her made her the winner, so I'm very happy for that. And डिसर्विंग बात की तो सारे डिसर्विंग थे इंक्लूडिंग मी आई गेस। खतरों के खिलाड़ी, यस, गेस हु इज द विनर? नॉट सॉरी,
Have you announced already?
no, guess who is the winner? Keep guessing. First of all, nice to see you all, thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Nice to see you, phones.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, Shrishant, are you upset with the fact that, you know, after coming as the first runner-up, you couldn't take the trophy and Deepika has won the season?
I am very very happy for Deepika ji, and I am really happy that my words came true. It came to the family, one. And the second thing is lifting the trophy. I lifted the trophy first before her. If you remember, if you seen the task, not task की बात हमेशा होता है क्योंकि मैं task apparently नहीं करता. So the trophy was lifted by me, and then there was a thing with me and Romil that Romil मुझे उसको छूने तो क्या, सबसे पहले मैंने वही किया, बहुत अच्छा स्मेल हो रहा था। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर हर एंड आई थिंक व्हाट शुड आई से, आई डोंट नो, फॉर सम रीजन आई फील गुड, आई फील ग्रेट। Wow,
But
nice to
Shrishant,
see.
in fact, you
mentioned
said
that colors face, Deepika is a colors face and she has the more popularity. It came through.
Look
So,
at it, man.
did you
That's
have
some
an idea
insane
that it would be a little unfair?
statement which I made inside the house, and she was fighting for that. And what happened? That's pretty real what I speak about, right? Right? That is reality. Come on, guys. I need a response. Is that
somewhere you were knowing that, you know,
realized-
the channel
yeah.
case will take the
Yeah.
trophy and not the one who is deserving. Is it so?
what's your name?
Nikki.
Nikki. Wow, nice name. Nikki, all I can say is deserving तो बहुत सारे पूरे 20 थे इंक्लूडिंग मी। तो अनूप जी भी डिसर्विंग थे, निर्मल जी भी डिसर्विंग थे, हर कोई डिसर्विंग थे जो भी बिग बॉस घर पे आया है। मैं इतना बोलना चाहूँगा कि दीपिका जी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे शी प्लेड द गेम द बेस्ट आई गेस, so that's why colors and endemol and the whole world who voted for her made her the winner, so I'm very happy for that. And deserving बात की तो सारे deserving थे including me I guess.
Your fans are very upset. Your fans are very upset, and they have been slamming like Deepika that you really played the game very well, and you were the most popular of all. How come she is already with the trophy? You were just going through the post.
मैं अभी तक फ़ोन मेरे हाथ में नहीं आया है, मैं सोचते देख के फिर रिस्पॉन्ड करूँगा क्योंकि हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है जैसे कि ज़बरदस्ती वाला जब रिस्पॉन्स देता हूँ तो उसको उल्टा होता है, बिना पढ़े लिखे आदमी जैसे, मतलब सो इसीलिए मैं पूरा पढ़ के सोच समझ के इसका जवाब दूंगा। मैं इतना बोलना चाहूँगा सारे फैंस को कि थैंक्स अ लॉट, बहुत 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 शुक्रिया, आप सब ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया। जो लोग ने सपोर्ट ना किया उनको भी थैंक्स, बिकॉज दैट मेड माई वाइफ, माई फैमिली एंड माई फैंस मच स्ट्रॉन्गर। सो थैंक्स अ लॉट। जब मैं क्रिकेट खेलता तभी भी शायद इतनी सारे फैंस शायद ना थे, या फिर होंगे भी, बट उतना रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आते थे। शायद सोशल मीडिया वगैरह अभी बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा है और बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ है, तो बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कलर्स एंड एंडमोल टीम को, क्योंकि अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे नहीं मिलता शायद मैं नहीं जान सकते थे कि व्हाट्स रियल श्री और व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग around the globe. So I am very happy that fans are still rooting and asking. In fact, Sonu Bhai was just telling me that you know, a lot of people are still saying I am the winner. So nothing compared to the game cricket, but it was a great journey and great experience, and I am so happy to say, because you asked this question, that I came here to survive the show, but I ruled it.
Great. And
I think so.
Shrishant, you
No
feel
response,
that-
man. Clap, yaar. No, Shrey!
And Shishant, do you feel this was a great platform for you to give your side of the story, be it the match fixing thing or even the Harbhajan Slamgate controversy? Was it the right platform for you to clear the air around it?
Yes, more to come, one day by day. So there is more. It was not just a show for me. It was surely a great platform for me because a lot of people came with the mask to play the game, but I came with Srishant, the real Srishant, and I'm very happy. Yes, there are occasions where I have overreacted or responded in a very odd way, which wouldn't have happened in normal life, but that stays inside the house, and I'm in one way I have forgiven myself to forgive others. So that's my way of forgiving people. So there are certain occasions where it's very difficult for me to even forgive a few people, but then even I have done few things which I should never forgive myself. So for that it took a lot of courage and strength to tell in the whole world that yes, I made a mistake and I'm really sorry about what I said on about few people, but they were over expressive, so I just forgive them for that because at the end of the day they did that or I did that because we were closed in a house with 150 cameras apparently they say, but I think there are more 200 plus. So it was a great experience for me to know that the real side of me. I would have reacted in certain ways if somebody questions your family, and I will ask the whole world, if you make somebody your family and if somebody questions, especially a lady, any boy will react, any man will react, one, and if any man is questioning about their career, and I think they will react, not maybe the way I reacted, maybe that was a bit overboard, but they will, and that's me, and that always been Srishant. And one really good thing which happened in the complete show, which I want to tell everybody, is that the girl who loved me, which is Bhuvaneshwari ji, loved a guy who really was fun-loving and aggressive on the field, not off the field, is back. So from 2013, I was not there with her. The guy who she loved was not there. So I can proudly say right now that the strength and the experience which I gained from the Big Boss bar experience is one of the best, if not the best. And then thanks to the team that I was put in a different situations to react, and I will surely cherish and appreciate the way Deepika ji or even Romil or even especially Deepak, I think is immensely talented, and I'm very happy I met a true minus the task the way he was, but as a person what he's doing for his city or village or whatever, he's going to go a long way, and I can proudly say one day that I knew this guy, and I think he will make a lot of news and sensation.
Okay,
Last
Shishant, will you meet Surbi Rana outside the Big Boss house?
I met outside, no, it was inside the house. I will meet her. I mean, she's one of.
What's the situation right now? Is everything
That's the
fine?
last question.
All I can say is I just said, I told the same answer before. Everything happened inside the house. If she wants to continue, I mean, all the best to her. But all I can say is she's a great personality and she's got amazing voice. I think she should use it. I think she should join you all. And she can be a great journalist. And she's apparently a motivational speaker also. I would love to listen to a couple of motivational speeches which she gives, which she's been given to the whole world. Meri pyari ne Bharat ki Janata. So I keep telling her, I want to tell her again, it's not just Bharat ki Janata who watches Big Boss, पूरी दुनिया वाला देखते हैं, मैं बोलता हूँ दुनिया वालों. So दुनिया वालों, मेरे को इतना कहना है कि सुरभि राणा जो भी है, I wish her all the very best in life, and I'm sure whatever she did it for the show, and I'm sure people realized it that she did that for the show. This is a reality show where it was not being fake or being nice and sweet, or even it was about being you, and I can proudly say whatever I did was real, and thank you very much.
Thank you. But Shishant, your support.
Sana,
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
that's the last question.
When it comes to unsavory remarks against women, we saw you taking stand only for Deepika and not for the other women in the house. So why was that?
You are only worried about one woman. Sorry, there was Jesseline. I stood for her. There was a lot of people I stood for, and if you're asking about, you have to specify name.
No, I'm just talking. You took only support of.
No,
Deepika
I
and the
have
others.
stood by a lot of people, and even the girl's name which you took. I'm really happy that even whatever she did to me, I think I was the first person to save her from nomination. I was the first person who gave away the biggest secret of whatever news to make her a captain. Even when Deepak, I mean, she and Rohit when were competitors, I was the first one who ran in between my workout, which I never did even for my family. That's what I did in between my workout. So I can proudly say I stood by every girl in different situations. Yes, if they go against, whether it's girl or boy, one thing I learned is equality. Yes, if anything happens in my family, the first person I will be going to is my mom and my wife, not my father or my brother. So I will do that even in my real life. So I'm very happy. Yes, there are occasions where I went when they went after me. Otherwise, from Megha ji to Jesleen to any lady in the house, I think I have respected them. I still respect, and even outside, I think I've been blessed to have a great family and friends and people like you. So please support and keep supporting Srishant. And yeah, my movie Cabaret with Richa Chadda and Pooja Bhatt is getting released. So please go and watch. That's my new site. So please, and Kempagowda too. You must have heard a lot about that in the show. It's releasing too. So please watch with subtitles.
खतरों की
And
खिलाड़ी
what about
Khatron Ke Khiladi, yes. Guess who's the winner? Not.
not yet?
I'm sorry.
have you announced all?
No. Guess who's the winner?
Yes, we know.
Keep guessing. Okay. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you.